Hello guys. Welcome to my tech world.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing okay. LG made a modern technology device, so smartphone design has become quite predictable once you believe it. Sure, we may have edge to edge displays, different aspect ratio and more, but the smartphone itself remains just about an oblong piece of glass and metal. Thankfully, we are finally seeing something fresh within the short affordable smartphone that launched September 14, 2020. But those are still quite rare and expensive. However, LG decided to try to do its own thing and think outside the box when it come time to style its newest smartphone. The LG Wing 5G was launched in India a while back and is the first phone within the company New Explorer project that aims to experiment with new smartphone form factor and features. This smartphone packed two display and a singular swivel mechanism that permits brand spanking new way to use a phone, which make it especially handy for multitasker, videographer, or anyone trying to find something that's unlike the other smartphone. I will tell you some reason why you will want to think about buying the LG Wing 5G. Reason 1 is that the swiveling display is certainly one of the highlights of the phone and will definitely garner a good bit of attention. The first display may be a 6.8-inch FHD pulled display with a 25.9 ratio. This one its own is pretty impressive because it's offer a big screen experience that gamer and being watcher appreciate. However, the LG Wings 5G's party think is clearly the smaller 3.9-inch cold display with 1.115 ratio that revealed by swirling the display to form a T shape. Swirling the display is not too hard as LG has designed it to be used with only one hand. However, there is still enough resistance to make sure that its own open up during a user pocket. The mechanism is additionally smartly designed with a double lock structure of a stable rotation, dual spring design for a consistent motion ever after extended use, and a hydraulic damper for smooth opening and shutting. The form factor of the LG Wing 5G exposes a world of possibilities when it involves how we interact with single and multiple apps. Multi-apps use is pretty straightforward. For instance, you will have a video streaming app running on the most display while using the secondary display for the other tasks like responding to messages or surfing online. Some apps also make foremost of the unique form factor to permit for a added functionality. This included using the secondary display as a media controller or to rectangular the various different features that the LG Wings 5G's camera offer. The LG Wings 5G package triple rear camera setup with a 64 megapixel wide camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide gimbal motion camera. At the front may be a 32 megapixel sensor that housed inside a pop-up model. The 12 megapixel gimbal motion camera gives videographer that power to record video as if they were employing a gimbal. The secondary display offer a bunch of control options almost like what one would find on a gimbal. This included a joystick for controlling a pan and tilt, also as a bunch of modes or to record tracking shot. This included the follow mode, pan follow mode, person follow mode and a lock mode. The pop-up front camera also allow for dual recording. This is often a reasonable nifty feature for streaming and vlogging as they are going to be ready to show their face also as what they are saying to their audience powering the LG Wing 5G may be a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G SoC. This chipset is manufactured using the 7nm process and packed the 5th generation of the Qualcomm A1 engine. It also featured the 2nd generation Snapdragon X52 modern RF system that support 5G connectivity. As if that was not enough, it also comes with an Android 620 GPU and comes with Snapdragon Elite gaming feature, which aim to make sure a more realistic and immersive gaming experience. Apart from this, the version of the LG Wing 5G available in India come with 8GB RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. Just in case user need more room, the smartphone support up to 2TB expandable storage. There's obviously tone more to the LG Wings 5G. For instance, the smartphone offer a 4000 mAh battery, which should surely a day use for many people. Buyer also get Android 10.0 straight out of the box. Further, the LG Wings also come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, which make it possible to unlock the phone and swivel it open in one motion. Another interesting tidbit is that the LG Wings 5G managed to pass 9 category of the rigorous MIL STD 810G test. This included touch or shock, temperature, humidity and pressure. In other words, the phone are built to last. This was a first check out of 5th reason why you ought to consider the LG Wing 5th. The phone is already available in India rupees 69.990 and the USA price $999.99 US dollar. So thank you for watching everyone. Stay with us for next video. Stay safe and stay home. Take care. Bye bye.